Tonight on the Invention Laboratory, we talk about affiliate marketing. We will touch on how to use it during your development process and how to use it to sell and market your existing inventory. Before we get into the application, let's just define affiliate marketing. I personally enjoy Pat Flynn's explanation most. It's the simplest version of it. He says that affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and you earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Pretty straightforward, right? This definition is how most people use affiliate marketing to generate an additional source of income. As a creator, your process includes funding each step of R&D. Regardless of who you choose to complete your work, money is always involved, and for a large portion of the time, it's like having an oil pan with the plug pulled out. You never know if you're going to make it to the destination, and feeding the beast is a common occurrence. It's like stopping at a gas station to buy another quart of oil to dump in. So instead of participating in that vicious cycle, let's find a way to plug up that hole. Affiliate marketing programs are becoming more and more popular. One of the largest programs is through Amazon. Becoming an Amazon affiliate not only allows you to pitch products that you love and use on a daily basis, but it also allows you to pass an access code around to friends and family. There's no additional charge to the shopper. Amazon just gives you credit for generating traffic to their site. In reality, your friends and family were going to shop online anyway. They just are essentially telling Amazon that James or Jane sent me. Other major retailers also offer affiliate programs such as Walmart, Target, and Best Buy. Using those platforms, we provide you with an additional stream of R&D income, and all that's required of you is to share your thoughts and opinions on products or retailers that you already know and love. Now, please don't promote products that you can't stand behind. The one thing you have intact at this moment is your reputation. You're going to need that every step of the invention process. So don't give people a reason to believe anything other than your intention to recommend the best possible product. This will also have a domino effect in the latter part of your development process. Generating buzz or sales of your invention after it's built or available to the public can mean the difference between a 1-year extension on your license agreement and a 5-year extension. Allowing credible influencers to pitch your product to their audience will increase the number of units sold and cement the initial steps of brand loyalty for that product line. Traditional marketing strategies have become a little stagnant, and as I've mentioned before, you have to be where the eyeballs are. Right now, that's in the thousands of followers of social media influencers. You can also use affiliate marketing as a stepping stone to pitch a corporate partnership with larger companies. If you're a high-level producer when selling or recommending their product and you believe in the company, it's easier to request assistance with your own projects. Large companies have R&D budgets that they need to spend. So what typically happens if a company doesn't use all of the funds allocated to R&D? Well, when next year's budget committee looks at the numbers from the previous years and they start to notice money being left on the table, they often remove the excess for the coming year and make adjustments to that line item. Just because 2019 didn't produce a new and innovative product doesn't mean that they won't need the funds in 2020 for a larger project. In turn, to save face, they'll often find other ways to spend that capital through charity, higher education, scholarships, etc., license agreements, and corporate partnerships that are R&D focused. Do yourself a favor and investigate the option of affiliate marketing so that you understand the pros and cons of being on both sides of the ball. Knowing what larger companies are paying per unit to affiliate marketers will let you know what to expect when you intend to offer the service. You also need to understand how difficult it can be for some influencers to generate that buzz if they don't fully understand your product or its benefits. It can be tempting to have a plethora of affiliates because the logic is the more the merrier, but you may end up doing more harm than good. Unenthusiastic, uneducated, and lackluster affiliates are the same as unenthusiastic, uneducated, and lackluster employees. You wouldn't tolerate it in the office, so don't tolerate it in the wild. Thanks for tuning in to episode 25, and as always, reach out to me with any questions you'd like to have answered in future episodes. Until next time, take care.